Lonadek Global Services is a woman-owned, multi-award-winning ISO 9001:2015 certified engineering and technology solutions firm. The past 15 years, we've been able to empower 100,000 STEM talents through our CSR activities. We have the Youth Empowerment and Restoration Initiative and also the CIDE STEM and Entrepreneurship Hub. And we've been able to also carry out programs with Lonadek Global Services with over 5,000 engineers empowered. One of our dreams is to ensure that capital flight in Africa is drastically reduced. We are building competencies, capacities of locals for Africa, and it's been a huge journey having experience at Lonadek, and we achieved this with partnership from international firms who are able to collaborate with us to deploy their trainings for our locals in Africa. And amazingly, we were able to get a grant from LASRIC, the Lagos State Science Research Council, to upskill 60 teachers in Lagos State.
ICDL means International Computers Driving License. Is a certification, internationally recognized certification for computer competencies, the use of different computer applications. It has different modules from the base, intermediate, and advanced modules, where you'll be trained on how to use different productivity applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, database, and then you learn different things you need to look out for when you're browsing on your system, when you're online, on IT security, how to identify a secured website. And then the ICDL training, it helps your productivity level as an individual, and it also helps the organization save costs, because the period you're supposed to use on a particular task will be reduced when you know how to use these tools effectively. So it improves your productivity and makes you work effectively.
It's been amazing going through reviews and feedbacks of the teachers, and as a trainer, it's been great joy that we've been able to move these teachers from one level, maybe about 10-15%, some 20%, to about 85-90%, and they are able to have confidence with the use of computer.
The ICDL training has impacted me by making me to know new experience on how to use the Microsoft applications at large, knowing how to even secure myself when I'm on the social networks, and also it has given me the knowledge of different trainings you can encounter and go through and actually write the exams online.
It's been an educative activity for me. I usually, before the training, I thought I knew a lot to say, but I discovered that there was still a whole lot to learn. So as a teacher, I think it's quite it's very useful. It's very useful in the classroom, in the sense that modern day teaching involves the use of technology in disseminating content. So I think it's going to help us a lot, most especially PowerPoint presentation, which is what we use to disseminate the content, and also preparation. It's really going to help both the teacher and the student.
Initially, I thought being a computer teacher for about 8 years that I had known it all. But when the training started, it was highly expository. Wow. I was like, I don't really need it and all that. But when by the time we started the training, the things I thought I knew, when they gave me the right way, the good practice, how things are done and all that, I just felt like I know nothing. So the training had really exposed and opened my eyes to a lot of good practices in computer study and all that. It really helped me.
We just concluded training for the Lagos State teachers. It will help those teachers improve in the way they train their students, the way they prepare their lesson notes with the knowledge on the PowerPoint presentations and the use of Microsoft Word. They'll be able to work better and effectively, and then they can use different collaboration tools to teach their students. They've been exposed to different collaboration tools and now they know how they function, so they could use that to train their students. And now they're ambassadors of ICDL, so they could go and spread the word to their students. They can teach their students based on what they've learned. So it's like a ripple multiplying effect. Once the teachers have been trained, now they go back to their schools, they impact their students, and these children are now exposed to what they will be useful for them even after they leave these different schools.